You can see that I am placing a nice layer of onions right here on the bottom of my baking dish. Then you're just gonna wanna come in and make sure those sliced onions are all separated so they're kind of like a nice little airy layer. Gosh, my eyes are starting to water again. Ah, I can't take it. Are your eyes sensitive to onions? Okay, that looks great, just like that. Now we're gonna grab some Swiss cheese. Yeah, baby, that's what I'm talking about. And I am gonna put a nice layer of Swiss cheese right on top of these onions. Ooh, it's gonna melt right into those onions. I'm not even gonna be stingy. I am placing a lot of cheese right there, just like that. I'm gonna also add some Parmesan sprinkled on top of that Swiss. That's gonna taste so good. I love that flavor combo. So I'm adding just a little bit on top. You can kind of spread it around. All right, that looks great. Now we're gonna add another layer of onions. So same thing, throw some onions on there. I'm gonna do the same thing where I piece them apart after I place them on top. Of course, if you wanna do that beforehand, you can do that too. And then we'll make a nice layer with those onions as well, moving right along here. Now for the good stuff. I have some cooking wine here. If you want to just get a dry white wine, you can do that too. I'm gonna add a 1/4 cup right here. I'm just gonna kind of spread it right over top of these onions and that cheese, just like so. Then you're gonna wanna grab heavy whipping cream. Make sure you shake that up nice and good. And then add a 1/2 cup of heavy whipping cream. Now we're gonna do the same thing. We're just gonna spread the heavy whipping cream all over the top here, right on top of these onions. Oh yeah. Do you guys like scalloped potatoes? How about a version of scalloped onions? That's what I'm talking about here. I'm gonna grab some pepper. We'll put pepper right on that. Of course, if you wanna add some other seasonings, you can totally do that. I'm just gonna throw some pepper on. I really think that it's really all it needs. The onions bring out so much delicious flavor. All right, you guys, moving right along, let's top it off with some triple cheddar blend. Open that bad boy right up. Now I'm just gonna kind of dump a hefty layer of this. Ooh, look at that. It's like the farm style, nice big chunks of cheese. Now you can add any kind of cheese that you want on top of this. Of course, there is no discrimination in this household against cheese. What would you choose? And I don't know, maybe you wouldn't mix all the different kind of cheese together. I'm not sure. Tell me what you think. Now we'll top it off with some butter. So here I just kind of got some little slabs of butter here, some little pats of butter, and I'm just gonna throw some right on top. It'll probably be equivalent to about a 1/4 cup of butter, but you can always add a little more, take a little more away. It's definitely up to you. I love butter, especially when it melts in these onions, so I'm not gonna be stingy on that. Look at that, that looks perfect. Now we'll come in with some foil. We wanna wrap this up nice and tight to give those onions an opportunity to really cook down, and oh, they're gonna be so good. And then about the last little bit time, we will definitely take the foil off. So what we're gonna do now, guys, is we are gonna pop this in the oven at 375. It's gonna cook for 45 minutes. Then we'll take the top of the foil off and we'll cook it for another 20. Stick around, you're gonna love this. Oh my goodness, yum. These look amazing, cheesy and delicious. Scalloped onions, that's what I'm talking about right there. I'm gonna go ahead and throw some fresh green onion right on top. Now I know that traditionally scalloped potatoes don't necessarily have the onion on top, but I just love it. I love the color, the freshness, and I'm just a huge onion fan, right? If you know that and you watch this channel, then you know that I'll be coming up with a lot of onion dishes. Clearly, I eat a lot of onions over here. I absolutely love them. I wonder why. Is there a reason why we crave onions, or some people like onions more than others? I'd be super curious to find out, because for some reason, I feel like onions never sound like a bad idea. Okay, so we have some green onions on there. They look absolutely beautiful. I'm gonna try to cut in here. Oh, this cheesy, and I see the creaminess from that cream. Oh, this looks really, really delicious. Okay, look at all those onions coming out right there of that. Whew, yeah, I have my bowl. Wow, those look so, so good. All right, I see the creaminess and all of that cheese in there with those onions. Now, would you eat this as a side, or are you gonna put something else in here? So much cheese and onion flavor. Whoo, they're hot. Oh, you know what? I didn't even fully taste a bite, but I taste a little bit of that white wine, that cooking sherry. Holy cow. The flavor of that cooking wine along with the heavy cream, money in the bank right there. That was really good. That tastes really good with the combination of Swiss cheese and cheddar. Remember, we put that little bit of Parmesan. Holy cow, this is a home run right here, you guys. We got some scalloped onions. Have you ever tried this version? Let's throw those potatoes out. We're gonna slide in with some onions over here. Let me know what you guys think of this recipe. I hope you love it. I'm gonna be digging in. Enjoy.